To balance a standards-based curriculum with student needs, an effective teacher recognizes that a standards-based curriculum serves as the foundation for expectations of learning. It is what teachers should base their instruction on at each grade level. The teacher then builds upon this foundation by identifying teaching methods that articulates how they will deliver the instruction. Rob Lyer and Hughes outlines technology standards and frameworks that complement and elevate academic standards students need to know. We utilize interactive whiteboards, laptops, and other digital devices in the classroom. Web-based tools such as Google Workspace, Nearpod, Pear Deck, IXL, or Socrates provide students with various interactive programs to practice and demonstrate their understanding of the learning objectives. Best practices within a gradual release approach foster a differentiated learning environment where teachers can integrate technology in meaningful ways to meet the needs of each student. Resources such as Pear Deck or Kahoot gauge what students know and understand during whole group instruction. Students may work collaboratively with their peers using Google's interactive tools. Students may also work independently using Flipgrid, a game-based or learning analytic resource that adjusts content to align with their needs.